e paw tuke ma Tononoka. Chenro no geto ndiko derepe maromo 500 ma idhi yudo thuolo mag tije e pinje maoko, ka watudore achiel kachiel gi joja oko mondo mi oketwa e ler ewi chenro madhi nyime no. Joja oko, thuolo en mari.
Erokamano ahinya, awinji maler kowuok e kaunti ma Mombasa kuom odiochieng' ma kawuono ni wagoyo tach e alapni mar Tononoka kuma chenro mar M-ajira dhi e nyime, ma en chenro mar yudo derepe kata derepe mag loche monego bed ni dhi e tije e pinje mag Warabu kata e piny Saudi Arabia. Kama wantiere ni wang'e ni chenro mar M-ajira en chenro mageto yudo jogo mani kod lony mag riembo loche kata trailers kaka mano makalono, manyiso ni gidwaro chiegni dhano 500 mikone onego bed ni dhi yudo thuolo mag tije e piny Saudi Arabia. En chenro manochakore e alapni ma Tononoka e odiochieng' manyoro, kendo en chenro mabiro dhi nyime e thuolo mar ndalo 3 ma igeno ni obiro rumo e odiochieng' makiny. Kama antiere ni antiere gi moko kuom jogo mobiro temo hapgi, manyiso ni kama gintiere kawuono ni en ni ikawo gari iriembo, nitiere jogo manono ng'iyo ni to bende iromo godo koso ok iromo godo. To adwa mani awuoye gi moko kuomgi onyisane ni to gineno ka chenro nyaka sani dhi nade. Karibu sana bro. Nazungumza na Ramogi TV, labda tueleze tu kwa jina, tueleze ni nini imekuleta hapa siku hii ya leo.
Mimi naitwa Charles Ogada. I'm from Migori County but a resident of Mombasa. Our expectation here, we came to do the exam as drivers after the streamline of Citizen TV, and you get information, and that's why we are here for that track for Saudi jobs.
And how is the exercise so far?
The exercise, I can see, is good. You cannot compare with the other type of exercise that I've been seeing. In fact, I think everybody is going to pass, according to what type of system they are doing.
How is the process, and so far where are you?
Okay, meanwhile, I'm on process of registering, and also after that one, I'm waiting for practical. But for now, I'm registering for truck, heavy commercial truck. I'm driving for heavy commercials, and I'm on the way for registering for that one. Yes.
And, what do you expect? Your expectations?
My expectation is that once I'm confirmed, I'm going to Saudi for work because the salary is good. And for my age right now, I know I'm getting retirement pension out of that one. Okay. That's my retirement.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me get somebody else. Atueleze onyiswa ni to chenro ni chalnade wadhi nyime gi loso gi achiel kuom jogo kata moko kuom jogo matayo chenro makamaendi. Kindly just start by your names and tell us why are you doing this?
My name is Samir Abdul Jalil. I'm the business development manager in Samasco, Saudi Arabia. Actually, we came here to select heavy truck drivers for our clients in Saudi Arabia. First of all, Samasco is the first licensed manpower company in Saudi Arabia. We have almost 45,000 workers working in Saudi Arabia. Actually, we are targeting Kenya to get heavy truck drivers. This is the first point. And we are targeting more professions. I think the organization, the arrangement, we are spent around 4 days now. It's going well, and we expect it more. We start in Nairobi. Now we are in Mombasa since yesterday, and we are continue till Saturday. Next journey, inshallah, it will be for the next cities. We are really very optimistic to get more candidates, and it will be a strategic partnership between Samasco and all recruitment companies here in Kenya.
So what exactly are you looking for?
We are looking for heavy truck drivers currently who can work for in Saudi Arabia. You know, Saudi Arabia is also wide country. Our target, mainly in Saudi Arabia, if you can talk, we more than 80% coming from the Asian countries. Sorry, we are trying to make the varieties, and we came to Kenya, and I'm sure because I'm also originally from Africa, so I know African drivers will have it duty, and they will doing well, sure.
And the ones you've interviewed, maybe are they experienced enough, or how do they perform generally?
Yes, actually, we have two parts. We have screening, the documentation part, then we have the technical part. The technical part, yes, they are focusing about experience. And to be honest, we try to not be tough even in the criteria of the selections. Mainly, we are looking more than 5 years experience. But we know from the beginning it will be the priority for the 5 years experience. But now we making a technical test. If he passed at least the technical test, whatever the experience, even 1 year, 2 years, we can expect. No.
Are there plans to move to other parts of the country?
Yes, they will move to. We will move to here in Kenya. You mean? We will move to another cities, but not in this campaign. We are planning for a bigger campaign in the future. Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, wawuoge ngat machielo kae ndi bende gina chielo kuom jogo mata Chenro makamae. Tafadhali anza tu kwa jina, tunazungumza na Ramogi TV. Tueleze